Leptospirosis is a bacterial infection. It is commonly spread through water or soil contaminated with the urine of infected animals, especially rats, cows, horses, goats, and dogs. People can become infected when contaminated water comes into contact with their skin, eyes, or mouth.
With leptospirosis, the symptoms will vary. Early on, you may get fever, headache, chills, muscle pain, and redness of the eyes. In more severe cases, you may get jaundice, that's the eyes going yellow, the skin going yellow, and you can get organ failure, kidney failure, liver failure, lung failure, and you can also get meningitis, at which point it really becomes life-threatening, and anywhere between 5 and up to 15% of persons with severe leptospirosis can die.
Public health specialist Dr. Orville Nemart said certain groups need to be particularly vigilant as they are at higher risk for leptospirosis.
Persons who have to work with animals, persons who um, like butchers, farmers, people who have to work in soil which may be contaminated with urine, or water which is contaminated with urine, or food which has been contaminated with urine. Any of these persons would be at increased risk. And in our circumstances now, where we have lots of stagnant pools of water, poor water supply, reduced water for sanitation, then it creates an increased risk for leptospirosis for pretty much everybody in the population that's in that environment.
Leptospirosis can be treated effectively, but Dr. Nemart says early medical attention is critical, especially for those at higher risk.
Treatment for leptospirosis can be supportive in the milder cases, managing the aches and pains and so forth. It does require antibiotic therapy to treat the bacterial infection, and particularly for persons who have severe illness, may require IV antibiotics. So the implication there is that they're going to require hospitalization.
Individuals are also advised to avoid contact with contaminated water, wear protective clothing, maintain proper sanitation, control rodents, and treat cuts and wounds promptly. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.